Good morning, dear subscribers. Well, it was a nice night, not too cold, actually quite warm. Wind stopped at 12 o'clock midnight. Packed everything together, took my rubbish, and now I'm gonna go to the coast. First I gotta go to Antofagasta to get some gasoline, because it's down south the necessary gas station to get. And then I get to the coast to just the beginning of the #1 highway, a bit south of Antofagasta, and gonna camp at the coast tonight. Here we go. This is a rough road.
Voy a evitar lo que siento, pienso en vivir el momento, pero invoco a mis fantasías, que son más que lo que prometías.
That's a shitty situation, because the truck driver doesn't see me in the back. And I'm blind flying here. Actually can get quite dangerous, because if a truck is coming towards, like this one now, and you're in the cloud and he doesn't see, you don't see, you're gonna die. So I take it slow and survive and enjoy the desert. There you go. Hong Kong, hello. Hello. Yeah. Crazy.
Justo te vengo a cruzar, ya nada pude evitar con vos. Justo te vengo a encontrar. Sos un brujo con tu mirada, nadie escapó de tu almohada.
I had to film this. Well, again, in the middle of fucking nowhere. Everything is fine. One was running, it was very bouncy the last kilometer, so we're gonna check around if everything is fine and still there. Yeah, looks good. Dusty and but it's beautiful. You see the different colors over there? It's like red, gray, bit green. It's beautiful. Actually, it's beautiful when you're not in a desert cloud of a Camino, of a truck, and you can see actually something. That is quite nice. Here we go. Let's see how far it is. It's about 200 kilometers further on to Antofagasta. Well, nice. Always cool to look in the mirror and see the view in the back. Cool. Right on.
Con vos, justo te vengo a encontrar. Sos un brujo con tu mirada, nadie escapó de tu almohada. Tenés a todas hechizadas vos, porque sos un brujo con tu mirada.
Just came around the corner and saw this laguna on the right here. There's some guanaco standing there. Looking what I'm doing here. Well, we are here in 3,000 meters altitude, and so there must be some hot springs because there's water here. Oh, there's some more guanacos in the back here. Nice.
Solo estar conmigo deseaba. Justo me vengo a encontrar con vos. Justo te vengo a cruzar. Ya nada pude evitar con vos. Justo te vengo a encontrar.
Well, that's funny. I was just coming around the corner here, and welcome to P. There's not a lot going on in P. No, not really. Well, the shame that right now I don't have to pee. To pee or not to be? Let's go further on. What do you guys say? How do you like the videos so far? It's quite okay? Would love it if you like them. Because then all this work was not for nothing.
Evitar con vos, justo te vengo a encontrar. Sos un brujo con tu mirada, nadie escapó de tu almohada. Tenés a todas hechizadas vos, porque sos un brujo con tu mirada. Tu humanidad extraña me enciende y me apaga. Hay un efecto sagrado en cada beso inventado. Sos un brujo con tu mirada, nadie escapó de tu almohada. Tenés a todas hechizadas vos, porque sos un brujo con tu mirada. Sos un brujo con tu mirada, nadie escapó de tu almohada. Tenés a todas hechizadas vos, porque sos un brujo con tu mirada.
Yeah, this was a bit too zen, you see that here? I was just floating, couldn't help it, and I turned around. Well, sorry Orma, sorry. Yeah, this is the shitty stuff, like powder. No fun to ride. Yeah, now I'm dusty all over. Look at it. Thanks for the crash, man. And down there, you see, there is a mining village. And we are at 3,500 meters, and such a big village up here. Ah, here the rocks are coming. Look at it. Yay! Very cool. Very cool.
treetops scribble tales into the sky. Nature, finally, is taking its deep breath. Act quickly before somebody breaks the myth. Settling down for picnics on the streets, growing bolder as the days go by.
Only diesel.
Deers
No
snacking
bueno.
on some pretty potted plants, adapting to this new environment.
So I had to make a little detour of 50 kilometers to get the gasoline. There you go. This is nice. This is an Austrian license plate, but you can see it anyways. Yeah, I think I mixed it all up and made it dirty when I crashed. Oh yeah. There you go. And now I'm gonna head down to the coast and find a nice spot for camping.
Instead of sound pollution, paying close attention to the clouds. Life is tied together, roots connecting, feeding off another.
Very cool. The last time I was here it was just foggy. You couldn't see the water of the Pacific, because when I was going up to San Pedro I came the same road, the same way, and now since I don't go to Bolivia and I'm gonna go back to Argentina, I'm gonna ride the nice road again down to Santiago to cross to Argentina, and oh, look at this. Excellent, brilliant, beautiful. Ah, it's a funny road here. My road is over there, leading down to the Pacific. Such a beautiful view here. All alone, lot of wind. Excelente. Yeah, a bit windy, so I gotta go down to the coast and go for the look for spots to camp. Nice.
Settling down for picnics on the streets, growing bolder as the days go by. Deers are snacking on some pretty potted plants, adapting to this new environment.
We just hit the Pacific. It's still there. Probably don't see it in this picture, but I just was looking there and there was a blow from a whale about 100 meters this direction. Let's see if it comes another one. Yeah, there was another one. Well, okay, hitting the Pacific and seeing whales. Lovely.
Settling down for picnics on the streets, growing bolder as the days go by. Deers are snacking on some pretty potted
Looks very nice.
adapting
Promising.
to its new environment.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Perfect. Excellent. Yeah, I think I'm gonna set my tent right there.
Hearing
Pitch it.
chirps,
Pitch it really good.
paying close attention to the currents. Life is tied
There is the
together,
street.
roots connected.
Done. Enough riding for the day. Enough riding for the day. Look at that. You can't even see. Hello. This is good. Yeah, exactly something like this. Happy, happy, happy. Pretty nice setup. Looking out to the Pacific. Woohoo! Yep, all ready. This is it for today. I had dinner, I had a drink, and I'm just waiting for the sun to set. And enjoy the night.